In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make Instagram threads. The process is pretty straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. First of all, I'm going to open up the Threads application. Now, if you want to make your own thread, just like you see on the home page, all these various threads right here, you want to make your own, okay? All you have to do, it's simple, just tap this icon right there, which is the compose thread button. In the middle at the bottom, hit that, and now it says new thread. So this is where you can create your thread. So I'm going to type something like thread number 2 because I previously made a thread right now, and you can do much more than just write a simple text on your thread. If you hit that paperclip icon right there, you can then choose an image from your actual phone or a video. I believe you can post a video. So let me just choose this one right here. And then you just tap on done at the top right hand corner. You can see that image has now been added into my thread. And if you want to make it like the app name says, a thread, then you just hit here where it says add to thread right over there. And then you can type something else that you want to do. So I'll just write continued, and then you can add more images to that if you want. So if I add this image now and then tap on done, okay, now you can see it's like a long thread, and that can go on and on and on. And then if you want to change the publicity of this, you want to, or who can reply and stuff, tap where it says anyone can reply, and then you can tap on profiles you follow or mentioned only. Those are two options that you have, and then you can just simply hit this post button right there to post your thread, and then it'll be live on the app and people can start interacting with it. And that's essentially it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.